Hello friends, once again welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Amit and today we are going to see how to calculate 12-month rolling sales. It's a small and interesting analysis. So in order to find 12-month rolling sales, I'm going to use two functions over here called sum range and current member. And I'm going to use both the function in nesting so that we see how it works together. Okay. So let's see the syntax first. The sum, in order to find 12-month rolling sales, I use sum range function. As the name indicate, it returns the summation of all the values for the specified member. So if I'm going to calculate sales, the first argument would be sales and the range, member list range from X point to Y point. In member list range, I can in turn pass this argument current member range, which generates a list of members, list member that is based on relative position of current member, which is being calculated. So range function takes first argument as dimension name, generation and label. If you're using label, you specify what label you would like to calculate. For example, like to calculate for label 0, start offset and end offset. So start offset and offset work like this. If current month is March, okay, and I say -3 0, it means current month -3. So if I say March, it will calculate for February and January. So it would be sum of January plus February plus March. 0 means including March. Okay, I could pass over here 1 as well in case I like to calculate current month plus 1 for the future period. Okay, let's see how it works. So I've done couple of example over here, sample basic example. I created a member name called rolling sales where my output is going to store. I created one member called rolling sales. Okay, and then the first argument pretty simple. I'm going to use sum range function and calculate uh, only sales. Let's calculate only for sales, okay, without any year, and I'm calculating sales for current member for period is my scope. Label 0 member -3 to 0. Right, so offset value is start offset -3, current -3 up to 0. Validate this, no error, and I already prepare an Excel sheet to validate the output. Right, this is my Excel sheet where I'm going to validate my output. So if you look at my Excel sheet, I have got sales and rolling sales for FY 15 and 16 both. For one scenario, actual product cola, market New York, and 12 months of sales. Right, let's validate this, no error, and execute this. Execution done, and I could see over here current month -3 to 0. Current month -3, and I refresh my output. So we start from, if I start from, let's take focus on FI 15 now. I'm going to keep it this only, FI 15. Keep only. Okay. And when I focus on FI 15, I should see January -3 because there is no previous month. Therefore, it is 1 only. February -3. So February minus, we don't have previous 3 months. We have only 1 month prior. So 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly, for March also, current month -3. So this is going to be 6. Same fashion, you create current month -3. So 6, these 4 values, it is going 10. This is 10. In a similar fashion, I could see previous one -3. This is going to be 14. Right? So we can define for how many previous month you like to calculate and how many future months you like to calculate as well. We could work across different year as well. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to change this -0 to 1 and see how it works. If I change it 0 to 1 and calculate this, my output will change. Now it will add 1 month ahead as well. So current month plus 1 month ahead. Next month it is 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly, previous 2 month plus 1 month extra, I mean next month it's become 6. Similarly, previous 3 months plus 1 month extra, next month 10, and so on. Previous 3 months plus 1 month 14, and so on. So this is how the calculation take place. Previous 3 months current month plus 1 month, 15, right? So if I would like to calculate 12 months rolling, I go previous 12 months for current year, previous 11 month for current year. I assume my current is FI16, FI16. I go for previous month. Save this, validate this, no error. Let's focus on FI16 now. Now this time I use both years, 16 and 15 both. I focus on 15 and 16 both. Keep only. Okay, this is my sample data. I'm going to load 00 once again to make sure I don't have existing numbers. I put this number and write back. Now I calculate previous 11 month. I want 12 months, so we do in two steps. This is previous 11 month data for FI16. I calculate this and we check the output. Refresh. So this is my previous 11 month, right? So if you look at this, starting for FI, I should pass over here 0, not 1, up to current period. Execute, and I could see over here refresh. Current month, previous 11 month. So there is no previous 11 month. Current month, previous 11 month. So 11, 13, 14, 27 is 27. Previous 11 month, there are only 3 months. So the output over here 42. Similarly, it calculates previous 11 month 22222. This has become my rolling sales for previous 11 month. I like to calculate for 1 month, going from current year to previous year as well. So I include previous year as well. So in order to calculate previous year, I aggregate this and add previous year as well. So I use FI15 and I calculate 1 month ahead starting from 11th month. 1 month 11 means 11th 12th month. 12th month also would be considered. So this is plus 11 plus 1 11. Validate. I don't have semicolon there. So I got an error. Save, validate, no error, and run it. Now you find an interesting calculation now. So when I refresh it, you find it is 90. How come this 90 come over here? So I calculate previous 11 month. So January previous 11 month starting from February, right? So I calculate February to December 77 plus January, it's 90, right? Previous 11 months starting from February to December plus February is 90. Previous 11 month plus 2 months, 102. You see, previous 11 month for the month of March, starting from March 2015 plus next 3 months, January, February, March, it is 100 starting from April to next 3 months, 114. Do you see? So whichever month you consider April month, you go previous 11 month starting from May and first 3 months, January, February, March, it is 126. So this is how I can calculate previous 12 months of sales. So that's it for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Should you have more questions, please write to us. Our site is www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you and have a great day ahead.